Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you are trying to update software on your Helio Ring, but instead are getting insufficient space error. So, first of all, this issue often occurs if your smartphone simply doesn't have any space in the storage. So on your smartphone, go to settings. In settings, find storage info. In my case, it's in the device gear storage, and here check if the storage is used fully or close to fully, and try removing some large files, trash files, duplicate files, unused applications, and then try updating your device again. And if this doesn't help you, then you may need to perform a factory reset operation of your ring. Now, to do that, you're gonna have to first unpair your ring by going to Device menu, selecting Unpair, Confirm once again. Then, once your device is unpaired, remove your ring from the charging dock. Then remove the USB charging cable from the dock, and then put it back inside. Place your ring back on the charging dock, and then locate the reset pinhole on your dock, and use a pin-like tool to press and hold the button within inside this reset pinhole. Press and hold your pin inside the pinhole for about 10 seconds until the red color changes to black, and then the color should turn blue and start pulsating slowly. At this point, you're gonna have to try to repair your device by going back to device section on your smartphone, selecting ring, select next, then let your smartphone find your device once again, select pair, let your devices pair, and after they do, tap next, then skip, then let your devices sync. Give them a moment. And once they are synchronized, select System Update and download the latest version of the software. Hopefully this time this works well for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.